Hello everyone, Fabio Santos here with another exercise for you. This we're going to be working on increasing and improving our shoulder flexibility. So I'm using the chair here just to demonstrate that you can do this anywhere. If you don't have a chair, ideally a solid chair so it's not moving around. You can use it on the block on the gym or somewhere where you can actually lean your weight against. So how are we going to do this? I want you to keep your arm completely straight and you're going to be leaning just past your wrist. So your full hand is supported on the other side. And I'm gonna extend my arm so I find the distance where my arm will be extended. If this is my limit, I'm gonna try to get my head through my arms and I'm gonna rest my weight there. And I want you to work with your breathing. Every time I'm gonna breathe in, I hold, and when I release, when I breathe out, that's when you're gonna try to increase the flexibility. So I breathe out, then I drop my weight. And I hold there for a good 5 to 10 seconds. This will depend, and I want you to time it, how long you're gonna be resting, so we can measure the level and how we're moving fast. So this is my limit. I rested for 5 seconds and then I'm gonna go again. Breathe in, and then breathe out. So then I'm gonna go even lower. Let's say I'm resting for 5 seconds. I'll wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I try again. And then I reset. And then I want you to loosen up, moving the shoulder up and around forwards, up and around backwards. This is your resting time, and then we're gonna do it again. On your program, I'm gonna tell you exactly what's the resting range and also how many reps and all that. I just want you to understand the principle of the exercise. Remember to keep your arm straight. Don't go too far. If I go too far with my arm rested, I'm not gonna have much range of motion. So as far as you can go. And of course, if it feels too uncomfortable, you should feel the stretch here on the arms. And this is what we're after. But of course, within a balance. Any discomfort or anything that you think is different than how you should feel, get in touch with me and I'll make sure I adapt. Looking forward to see you on the next one.